are here in Athens, Ohio at Ciro Italian Restaurant. Who do we have in front of us today?
My name is Kellen. Hi.
This is Kellen, and she is going to make us a, I'm going to call it a bourbon smash. It's really a whiskey smash, but we're using a Knob Creek 9, and she's going to walk us through it. This is a fantastic place, by the way. Check it out. It's a little off the beaten path from like the core downtown of Athens, but we're coming here every time we come to Athens from now on. So show us your stuff.
So we're gonna do a half ounce of the Knob Creek. We usually do makers, but he's gonna do Knob Creek in this. This is just gonna be a sour mix, so it's about 3/4 of an ounce. A little more. And then we do fresh berries, so blackberries, a couple blueberries. Hang on to one. And then just one good sized mint leaf.
And do you muddle them, or you just sort of?
Yes.
Awesome. I feel I'm mansplaining, literally, on a video.
I have stage fright, so I'm gonna forget the muddling part.
That's
this is
okay.
A very important part of the recipe.
Outstanding. And which berries did you use? Blackberries?
Blackberries and blueberries.
Outstanding.
Is how I like it. You can do raspberries, strawberries, anything.
So how long have you worked here at Ciro?
I have worked here for 4 years.
Wow.
Which is the same age as Ciro. We just had the 4th birthday on the 19th.
And what do you like best about Ciro? Why would you tell people to come here?
It's a homey type of place. We have a lot of regulars who come in. It's a good, comfortable place for great drinks, great food.
Perfect.
Yeah.
Perfect.
And we just are going to do a good shake with this.
All right. It's always great to be with a bartender who knows what they're doing. And you can tell the difference.
And we just do a little soda on top. And just this blueberry as a garnish.
Nice.
That's our bourbon whiskey smash.
Outstanding. Is again at Ciro Restaurant here in Athens, Ohio. Appreciate you so much letting you put me on video. This is unplanned. We just sort of stopped in, but stop by this place. It's fantastic, and I can't wait to try my Knob Creek smash. This is Joe from Suburban Bourbon.